Here's a 2016 Lexus GX 460. From the power to impress with elegance and luxury in the city to the capability and versatility to hit the trails in the great wide open, it's your partner in spontaneity. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: V8 engine, active front and rear anti-roll bar, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, smart access key, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, Bluetooth, power tilting steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and power with tilt-down heated mirrors. Of the GX 460, Motor Trend notes acceleration is quick and there's no trouble getting up to speed or climbing steep hills. Lexus, inspired design, relentless innovation, incredible performance. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.